There is a blizzard warning for my county from Friday, day 11 p.m. till Saturday 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Action recommended: make preparations per the instructions issued by the Minneapolis, Minnesota U.S. National Weather Service. As the National Weather Service, Minneapolis, Minnesota. What is it for our area? And you do one. The two changes in my county is there's one where part of them. So we get the Minneapolis St. Paul News and TV stations a lot. And news. I think that's our main area, but also for the Eau Claire. And they have a lot of trends in there, like for them too. Menominee trends in there. They run a few transmitters that way in your Claire. For me, it says Quebec area, portion of the southeast Minnesota and western Wisconsin. You can see LCW, which is west central Wisconsin. The blizzard warning in effect from 11 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. 1. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches, with locally heavier amounts possible. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Portions of south central and southeast Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. When? From 11 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Precautionary preparedness actions. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you're calling from can be obtained back on 511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org for Minnesota or 511wi.gov for Wisconsin. More information. Blizzard warning expanded eastward to include the Twin Cities metro and western Wisconsin. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour expected for several hours, with wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour. Widespread precipitation will late this afternoon and transition to heavy snow from northwest to southeast this evening. The snow could be very heavy at times, with hourly rates of 1 to 2 and 2.5 inches per hour. Strong north winds develop with the heavy snow to produce wet conditions over a wide swath from west central and southwest Minnesota to west central Wisconsin. The worst conditions are expected between 9 p.m. and 4 a.m. Snow and strong winds tapering up early Saturday morning. Total snowfall amounts range from 5 to 10 inches from west central and southwest Minnesota to west central Wisconsin, with 2 to 5 inches north of Glenwood and St. Cloud and along I-90. Locally, higher amounts are possible if snowfall rates exceed 2 inches per hour. A blizzard warning is in effect for a large area from west central and southwest Minnesota to west central Wisconsin. A winter storm warning remains in effect north and south of the blizzard warning. So, you can see here on the radar, it is when you can see here in the radar now it is about 6 and you can see it's raining. Well, I mean, that's wrong. Look at that. You can see right there, look. It's starting to rain. And it's going to turn into snow. It's going to be about 9:30. It might try to turn into snow. So like 9:30, but 10 is, it might towards us, but it's going to be rain till about 10 o'clock. So, that's what they're saying. Yep, it's going to be rain about 6. And it's going to be thunderstorms at 7. From 7 to 9. And then it's going to turn into rain mix about 9 to 10. And then from about 10 to 7 a.m. From about 9 to 4 a.m. it's going to be snow. Or 6 a.m. actually. It's going to be snow showers. And it's going to taper off. And it's just going to be kind of windy in the morning. But then the winds are going to taper off. And they're going to be calming down to about like calm overnight. Like no wind whatsoever overnight. And then there's just going to be light freezing rain. And there's going to be a strong southwest flow to get the temperatures up to like about 40s. So, yeah, so until next time, everybody, take care.